Well, this is our little trip to St. Mary's, Georgia with the toy hauler, and we stayed at a big wheel RV park and had a good time. Here's the video of our trip. We hope you enjoy it.
Where are we going, Michael?
Well, we're heading over, was it close to St. Mary's? We're gonna go check out some roads up there. We're gonna kick back for 4 days. Hey, if I gotta eat beanie weenies and Vienna sausage, it's worth it. We're gonna have some fun, right, baby?
Yep.
All right, let's do it. We just left the lock.
This was the route we took. We left down here by Alachua, went on up, took I-10, got off 301, took it to 95. This is it right here. And then if you want to see a little more of it, what's kind of neat, you can go back here, and when you click on it, they give you the website and all, so you can move. And this kind of just gives you an idea where we're at, no information of the campground. Back to making our video. We'll see you later.
Here we are. Could have done a better job of getting over, but now this will be home for the next 4 nights and 5 days. We'll do some riding and kicking back here. A little view of the campground. Time to unload them. Now on this next clip, when Clutch seen this, she probably went, "What the heck?"
Did what?
Felt that leash unwind, and I think I felt the mosquito. You know what? We need some mosquito spray. Yep, I see one by my eyes, and one's lifting me up back here.
Mosquito spray and...
Well, here it is. 10:46. It's time to figure out where we're going to ride tomorrow. I'll tell you what, this is what it's like. We've been working on a little video. I'll do all the video at the end this time. Our little mutt dogs. I mean, hey, check Sprocket out. Hey, Sprock Rock. He ain't gonna move. Clutchy Watchy. She's not moving. It's time to go ahead and make our route for tomorrow. See where we're gonna go. Kind of like doing it that way so we have a game plan. And there is my workstation with the little shit next to it, the drone. See you guys in the morning. First day at the campground this morning. I brought something Sprocket didn't know I had.
Woo!
Sprocket, hey, Sprock.
Look at Daddy. Woo!
Okay, just a minute.
Should you let her loose too?
Ready? Go.
Wait a minute.
Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Throw me
I don't know if I'm getting him.
This morning, this will be our first day of riding. Puppy sitting out here kicking back. Marsha getting ready to do breakfast. And yeah, you see this stuff. There's some mosquitoes up here, let me tell you. But I'm going to redo the route a bit. And then we're going to take off, go riding this morning. Hey, it wouldn't be right in the video not have a picture right here. Alright, to give you guys an idea what our route was today, we left here at Big Wheel RV Park, headed up 17. Kind of nice ride, some old buildings and stuff too from the past. Kind of cut through here, a little more congested, not too bad. Here it thins out. I think when we went up this way here. Really a neat ride up to the fish dock at Pelican Point, came back to here, and really when we came back we didn't quite follow this route. Follow that route, it's a lot quicker. Well, we got another nice day. We're going to do a little exploring. We're on Highway 17, just left St. Mary's. Here we go on the tour boat.
Well, we're still going through Brunswick here. Whoops. Now here we are at Mudcat Charlie's. Now we didn't eat here, but remember we're on explore mode.
This is river rats over there. Alright, Mudcats is here. Let's check it out.
I never know what to expect when I launch the drone, but we figured this would be good place as any, especially with the view. It looks like it'd be a great view, and I think it is right here. So we flew the drone for a few minutes, kind of checked the place out, give you a better perspective what the place looks like. And like I said, we didn't eat here. We're just in explore mode, and it definitely looks like a neat place to eat at. And we will definitely be back. Here's a couple of pictures from the drone. And the food smelled good here too, but we had another mission. We wanted to find that other restaurant. Well, after a few minutes of flying, it didn't take off on me. We thought, you know what, all's going good. Let's save our battery for the next stop. So we went ahead and landed the drone back down. Now we walked around a little while. Marsha got her picture right there. And we just checked the place out. Then we got back on the bikes, and Darien was just a few miles up the road, and you're going to see us go through there in a minute. Man, a little bit of wind today. looking, man. That's good.
Now turn right.
Leave her in gear. Hey,
I hope it's open. It's neat, ain't it? I don't know what the food's gonna be like, but I'll tell you this much. This is a neat looking area. We'll try getting some drone footage before we leave. Now this definitely looks like my kind of place. Man, I love the way the sign is there. I love seeing all the fishing boats coming up here, all the docks, all the shrimp boats. You know they're bringing the food to this restaurant. That looks like trouble there. This is inside, and they also have a buffet here on, I think it's Wednesday, Thursday, and the weekends. It's great. On with some more video. This Thursday through Sunday, it's an all-you-can-eat buffet. Holy mackerel! Yeah. You know what? We go home Friday. Damn it. So Marcia, what do you think about this place so far?
It looks pretty good. It's neat. I'm hungry too. Are you?
Oh, are you kidding? I'm always hungry. Wonder what Wayne's doing. Yeah. This place is pretty neat. I like that little building right over here. See it? Right there.
Yeah, that's cute.
Little shack.
Comes down from that.
And there is an old building back there. I bet you that was an old fish house. Probably still using it. Alright, we got a little time now, so let's go ahead and unleash the drone. Well, we got her up there. There's our bikes. Marcia's down there putting her jacket on. This, like I said, is a neat looking area. We go towards the restaurant here, which is right on the water. A lot of swamp looking land out there. Coming up to the docks. And now there's the restaurant looking at it. And look at the whole picture there. I mean, there's your fishing boats on the other side, the docks for them. Little marina. Yeah, it's pretty cool looking. Great place for the restaurant. A little bit off the beaten path, but well worth it. There you can see some of the fishing boats over there. More fishing boats. Man, I'm getting hungry just watching this. Seeing what they caught. Then we sweep back, and on in a minute here you're going to see where the bikes are at and where we're at. We're way there at the top left corner. You can see our motorcycle. One last look, and then we head back and we land that little drone. Tell you what, you gotta watch these power lines, tree limbs, and when that drone wants to take off, whoa. Alright, time to eat. Well, baby, you ready to ride again?
Ready to ride.
Food was good?
Yes, it was.
Could have stayed here a while?
The route is being calculated.
Did you know the route was being calculated? Let's go ride.
300 yards, turn slight left, onto White Bluff Road Northeast.
You ready?
Yeah.
Well, we had decided at the restaurant that we're going to stop here at Darien and check it out. Neat little town. Again, a lot of history. One of the old buildings there we're walking by. I didn't find out what exactly it was, but look at the walls beneath it here. Yeah, we're off of the main street right now, going towards the water. Water's behind me. This looked interesting. And we're just walking around, checking out the town. It's down waterfront, and they had a lot of little history with some of their signs, like one right here. And nice little town. Enjoy it. Here we're cooking supper for tonight. And it's looking good. What we got? Oh yeah, baby. Had a nice ride today. Got some pictures to work on. Had a good time. Well, we're going to fly the drone later and come around here once. This is our second dog run. They got two places. Of course, this one's all fenced in. The other one's just a big field we take them to. Well, it's Wednesday morning. We're going to go over to Brunswick. I got in Jekyll Island. I got that damn bridge to go over. See if we don't make a big detour or not. Is that what it is? She's ready to eat? I'm going to take this off of, well, you got. Hey little ones. Good morning, guys. Well, being in explore mode, they got this little park up here and we decided we're going to check it out before we start the day off. I always wondered where the junior ranger's residence was at. Now we know. Well, this is our second day ride and our third day here. No real route planned. We're going to be going over to St. Simon's, Fly Island, and of course we'll go to the Harley shop, get ourselves a poker chip.
Come on here, Michael.
Well, we had to make a quick stop. I hate losing bike parts. They come right off. What's going on here? I don't know. The bolt's still in there. I don't know how it slipped off of there. I really don't. I don't know. It shouldn't have slipped off. We'll fix it later at the Harley shop. Let's move on. Let's keep the pieces on the bike now. Starting to get hungry. Starting to get real hungry. Kind of neat right in here. State Park. I believe it's called Blythe State Park. Let's ask the professional. Hey Marsh, what's the name of this place?
Blythe Island Park.
Cool. Looks kind of neat. They're lowering that hoist up there. Now pull the boat up. Go down that rail, I guess, and go on that trailer. Cool. Behind that wharf, old pier there, you can see my favorite bridge. I'm going to try very hard to avoid that damn thing today. Beautiful bridge, but I don't like heights. That's neat. Alright, we need to go to our next stop. I think we're going to go over to the Harley Davidson shop and pick up another poker chip. Let's get it. Well, so far, the drone's doing a nice job. I haven't had too many problems with it. Looks like everything's working out great. Oh, hold on. Now, like I put the caption on here, this is not a state park. I thought it was. It's a county park. Nice park, too, and you don't have to pay anything as far as to ride into this part. And if you got a group of people or if you're by yourself, I know we've stopped here twice before. It's a neat little break. And on top of that, they have restrooms here, which makes it very convenient for a stop. But again, to get you a better perspective of what the area looks like, here's some more drone footage. Yep, there's my big bridge. Yeah, I didn't go over that sucker. The car carrier way back there too. That's where they have that rail to launch your boat. They also have a boat ramp there too. And right there you can see Marcia on that little catwalk. Should have checked to see how much it cost. If it cost anything, I would think it would, for them to launch your boat for you with the lift. Well, it was time to land the baby and head on down the road some more. Now, really for us, it's a day ride to here. I was just informed we already have a poker chip from here. So I don't think we'll spend anything today. Yeah. Alright, Marcia. That don't remind me of a poker chip. Remember, beanie weenies, spam. Bridge over there. They're still cleaning up after that last hurricane. Downtown St. Simon's Island. What you got? Shot glasses? Oh yeah.
You even got this one.
I like the one bite me. See the gator on it?
Oh yeah.
I tell you, when I seen this here, the first thing I thought about was sprocket and clutch. I bet you they would try hard to get the squeaky toy that isn't there. Here we stopped, we had something to eat, food was good, neat little restaurant, then it was time for us to head on back to camp. Believe it or not, that's a very serious look on my face because I'm contemplating on going over that bridge. Didn't do it though. taking the pups for a walk, getting ready to get breakfast. Here comes RV over there coming in. And this is going to be a short ride today. Going to check out Fernandina Beach, then check out a little bit over here at St. Mary's. Hopefully have some time at the campground, and let's get it started.
Break.
Yeah. Their vacation is starting.
Well, here we're walking around. That's our neighbor Glenn next door. A little store there. We're just walking around. We are in no rush. And, you know, I mentioned we're going to check out Fernandina Beach too. Well, we've been there so many times on day rides, we decided not even to go there. So we pretty well kept it right there at St. Mary's. Here's a little idea to give you some, give you an idea what the park looks like. I'll tell you what, I like the location of it. It's great. I mean, St. Mary's itself is nice to check out. If you're going to be here sometime, also when they opened Cumberland Island back up, it was closed right now. They had a little damage for the hurricane and all. But once they opened that back up, they got a ferry going over there. They got wild horses over there. It's another neat thing if you like exploring to check out. Fernandina Beach isn't that far away. You got the old part. I like it downtown there. And you got a fort also there to check out and explore. I got a lot of links of day trips that I might put up on when we make this web page on Michael Marsh's motorcycle trips on the toy hauler section. When I make this web page, I'll put some links of other trips we made, restaurants, things we did. Here also, you're not but 40 or 50 miles from Brunswick. Brunswick, you've got well, you got Jekyll Island before it, which is a neat place, and we got a web page where we stayed at Jekyll Island before. Also, you got St. Simon's Island, another fort. And north of St. Simon's Island, another fort. And St. Simon's itself is a neat little place to explore if you like them old waterfront downtowns. You can see our unit right there, the Raptor. It's the second one up. You can see one of the bikes. Taking this video, some of it with the drone might be a little out of sync because I took a little video in the morning, and then unfortunately I could never find a contact. I mean, I went through the county, the city, then I got the airport and still couldn't get no one that could give me permission to fly the drone. I even was talking with the FAA, but I started going to different places there too, and I finally hit a recording machine to leave a voicemail, so there was no drone pictures of St. Mary's. Would have been really cool. But I'm just doing a little flying, and now we're going to take off, and there's another little neat thing to check out about 3 miles from here.
Is it interesting, Marsh? Well, today we're just taking it easy again. We were going to go to Fernandina Beach. I don't think it's going to happen, but we're right here at St. Mary's. We're only about 2-3 miles from the RV park, and we'll be going downtown the old section a little while. This is a sugar mill, right? From the 1800s. Continue. Oh yeah? Now that old tree stump there, you said this was built in the 1800s? Or working then? I wonder if that tree stump is after they quit using this. I'm sure this probably was a roof over here. Or maybe it was something to do with a second story? Now, they did all this for Halloween. I bet you Christmas is something else. And it's really got me wondering about 4th of July or New Year's. I bet you that's something else here. I'm going to have to Google it and see what I can find out what they have going on here. But as far as Halloween, you've seen how long we've been riding here. They put a lot of work in this. It's pretty neat. Enjoyed it. But like I said, no drone pictures today. Would have been cool. Here we are at the waterfront and the old hotel right there, and we're just walking around like we normally do. A few times we've been here before, and we did make it over to the ice cream shop and got some ice cream too.
Galley, rowable vessel used for war and piracy. Naval warship used for shelling coastal towns. Holy cow.
Now you can see all these signs here. They did a nice job here. There's a lot of information in them signs. There's the marina over there. Look at Elbow. Well, we don't have no golf cart. This will have to do for today. Taking a little ride around St. Mary's. Cement or something? Dock many of these.
Yeah, I bet you I docked close to 1,000 of different type submarines and done a lot of unassisted maneuvers with these guys. Kind of brings back old memories, only it's weird seeing concrete instead of tile with the hull. Well, here we're back at the Raptor. We got the bikes back there cooling off. Probably another 30 or 40 minutes I'll be loading them up and securing them. Man, I'll tell you, when you have a good time, time flies. We had a great four nights, 5 days up here. We've enjoyed it. We've done a lot of little exploring. And I'll tell you, it always helps if you can go ahead and check your area out where you're going with Google. A lot of information there for other things to check out. I'm sure here, with the stuff we checked out over the years, I'm sure there's a lot more to check out. We'll always have a good time. Kind of hate coming to this part, but you know what? We'll have another adventure soon.
You ready to go home?
No.
Let's see if we get out of this maze here. I think we'll do it.
Well guys, this is the end. And this clip here, as soon as we get in the truck, that's pretty well the way sprocket and clutch are. They're out, always. One more picture of the place, and we'll see you guys on the highway soon. Talk to you then. Bye.